Hello and welcome students. Today we're going to do one of the Excel project, that is Excel Module 5 SAM project 1A, and this is from the course 365-2021. You can see the title of this project is Narbonne Suites Generating Reports from Multiple Workbooks. So make sure that you have these support files downloaded, because we are going to use these support files in the upcoming steps. And let's head over towards the first step, that is one thing to make sure that when you open the start file, you will be prompted to update, or so you have to click don't update in this one. Okay, so if you want me to do this project for you, just feel free to text me on the WhatsApp which is given at the top right corner, and you can also email me with your files. You can hire me for the complete course of Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, mathematics, statistics, business, finance, basic accounting related projects. So you just need to send me the files and I will deliver the ready to submit file within next 2 to 3 hours. So it's a very economical service in terms of pricing, so you can just text me anytime and I will get the assignment done within next few hours. So heading towards the first step, that is, you can read this for your own understanding. I am going directly to the first step, that is break the external link of the worksheet, so that the formulas in B4 to B7 of the worksheet of the manager information worksheet are replaced with static values. Okay, so B4 to B7, these are not the static values, these have the links in back. It says that remove the external links. So to remove the external links, first of all you need to go to the in this area there are certain links there which we need to you can say break. So first of all, anywhere in the sheet, go to the data tab, and here in the workbook links you will find this option, and here you can break the link. So the first step has been done completely. Moving to step number 2, in cell C5, remove the hyperlink, leaving the unlinked text Bozeman empty in the cell. Okay, this is cell C5. Sorry, this is cell C5. We have to remove the link from it. To remove the link from any cell, first of all you need to right click that cell, and here at the bottom you will find remove hyperlink. It's as simple. Moving to step number 3, that is in D7, create a hyperlink to an email address. I'm just copying this email address, D7. This is D7. We need to create a hyperlink to an email address in this cell. So right click it, go to the links, and here click email address, because we are hyperlinking to an email address. Put your email right there. Next it says use Washington at example.com as a text to display. This is the text we want to display as a text. Just copy it and remove this text to display and just paste that. Next it says use email to start wide manager for Washington. Just copy this text as well and use as a screen tip. This is the screen tip. You just need to paste that value, that text right there. So we are done with step number 3, I guess. Yes, if you're finding it difficult, just send me your files on the WhatsApp and it will be done within few hours. In B9, create a hyperlink to the Narbonne Suites location listing as follows. In B9, this is B9, I guess. Yes, this is B9, and link to the support file in location 5A. Right click it, go to the link section, and here existing file, and here you will find locations. This is the 5A location. Next it says Narbonne Suite location as a text to display. This is the text to display section where you need to put the value. Now we will put the value for the screen tip. Just copy it and put it right there. I hope it is making sense for you. Anyhow, if you feel any If you want me to teach you, I'm still available for the tutoring as well, so don't be hesitant, and just text me. You will get an instant reply for that. Edit the hyperlink in B10. Okay, if you want to edit a hyperlink, first of all click that cell, right click it, and here you will find the hyperlink option. Now it says use Narbonne Suites to website as a text to display. Just copying it, and this is the text to display, and this is as a screen tip. I think my mouse is just okay. Screen tip. So we are done with step number 5 as well. Moving to step number 6, that is Adra wants to apply consistent formatting to the worksheet submitted by each of the statewide managers. Group Idaho, Montana and origin worksheet together. That makes the following formatting. So basically these 3 sheets are the location based sheets in the different regions. All of these sheets have a same structure, you can see. Okay, so we are instead we do one by one. We are just grouping it together. To group multiple sheets, first of all click one sheet. There are 2 multiple ways, in fact, if you are adjacent, if they are adjacent. So these are adjacent to each other. One way is that click one sheet and just press the shift key and click the other. All the sheets in between are selected. Okay, and the other way is just click the one sheet, press the control key, press another sheet, and press the third one. So this one we have 2 ways to do the grouping. So I hope it is clear now. So I have grouped the sheets. Change the font size of the in the merge range A1 to F1 to 18 points. This is the range A1 to F1, and to change the font size, go to the home tab, and here you will find it is 16 font size. We have to change it to 18. So we are done with this one also. Now it says apply 20% Accent 6 cell styles to A2 to F2. Now if you see this 18 font size has been applied to this one and this one also simultaneously, because we have grouped it. Once we make any change in one sheet, it will apply to the all grouped sheets. Apply 20% Accent 6 cell style to A2 F2. This is A2 up to F2, the range that is selected. Go to the cell styles, Accent 6, 20% is this one. You can see this is Accent 6. Now it says bold the values in the range A6 to A10. This is A6 to A10, and just click the bold. It's a basic step right there. Now it says apply the accounting number format with 0 decimal and $sign to the range B6 to F10. First of all select the range B6 to F10. Go to the home tab, and here in the number group just click that, and it was accounting 0 decimal $sign. Go to the accounting, and here you can decrease the decimal to 0, and here you will find $sign. Just apply it. So it is very simple and basic step. Now resize the column width B to F to 12. So just select the range B to F. Both these columns have been selected. Right click it, go to the column width, and here write 12, because we need to change the width of this. Do not ungroup the worksheets, so these are still ungrouped. With Enharo, Montega and Origin worksheet still grouped together, update the sheet as follows. Okay, how lengthy is this? Is 16 steps. Okay, in A6 change the in person to walk up. I'm just copying it. Change the in person to walk up, and A9 other referrals to others to other referrals. Pasting. I hope you are getting it. It's easy, just copy pasting works tasks, so it's pretty easier. Okay, now with Idaho Montana and origin worksheet still grouped. Create a formula as follows. Enter a formula in cell B10 using the sum function for the Q1 sales. Okay, this is B10. We have to put the formula of sum, and we have to select this Q1 range, that is this one. Click OK. Now it says copy the formula to the range C10 to E10. So I'm just copying it, and the paste section I am pasting the formula only. Okay. Now it says ungroup the worksheet and check and confirm. To ungroup the worksheets, you can see these are grouped. If you click anywhere else, it will be ungrouped. And the other way is that right click it, just click ungroup worksheets, so it will ungrouped. Now you see that all these have the formula same that we have applied all across the we have applied this formula on the one sheet, and it has been applied all across the sheets which were grouped. So I hope it's clear now. Okay, moving to step number 9, that is Edra wants to create a copy of the formatted origin worksheet. Okay, this is, we need to make a copy of this sheet. Okay, to use for the Washington section of the change sale data, create a copy of the origin worksheet between origin worksheet and a consolidated worksheet, and update the follows. Change. Okay, so I'm just creating a copy of this. Right click it, copy, and just click consolidated sales, because we want this to be placed just before the consolidated sales. Create a copy here. You can see this has been placed between origin and consolidated sales. Change the name of the worksheet to Washington. Just double click it and paste the name. I'm just copy pasting it because you can type also, and because I don't want to have any spelling mistake in these ones. Edit the text to read A2 and F2. Since we have changed this sheet, so we need to change this name as also for the region also, Washington. Now it says clear the content in the range B6 to E9. Select the range B6 to E9 and clear the content. To clear the content, because we don't want to delete it, instead go to the home tab in the editing group. Here you will find this clear content. Now because these sheets were dependent on the above rows, so those were also cleared, because there is no formula right there. And we are done with step number 9. Okay, I think that's it for this video, because we still have 6 steps left. If you want me to upload the next part, just text me on the WhatsApp or email me. And I repeat it, that do not hesitate to text me anytime. You can text me anytime, you will get an instant reply, and these services are very economical in terms of pricing. So you can feel free to text me anytime, and your assignment will be done within next few hours. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care.